GitHub, a beautiful place where the smartest minds of our generation push the boundaries of computer science. You have billion-dollar companies hosting their code. You have Silicon Valley tech bros making the next unicorn. You have fundamental software to our entire world. And then you have whatever this is. GitHub is wild, bro. Look, I've been on the internet for a really long time, and I have the tendency to explore the depths of any online community I'm in. Whether that's when I was playing FIFA and reading Footbin comments, or going deep down the YouTube rabbit hole. This time, I went deep into GitHub, and I regret it. Starting off very lightly, I've discovered anime girls holding programming books. Some of this isn't even a joke. Like, look at this. This is art. Like, you'd need actual talent to make this. And this list has every single language in the world. Hand on the Bible, I swear to God. It even has Fortran. But this isn't even the crazy part. The issues request. There's this one dude looking for a way to extract the names of all the girls, for of course research purposes. This other fellow over here even went the extra mile and made a pretty solid API for this repository. But this user over here took it a step further and added a sleek front end. Like, let me remind you that none of these guys get paid. This is purely for the love of the game. Enterprise Edition Fizz Buzz. And of course, it's written entirely in Java. What I love the most about this is the fact that it's purely made out of spite. Like, you know these guys are just talented developers that became instantly jaded after working a year in a cubicle farm. So on the surface, this didn't seem all that crazy to me. They just added a corporate layer to Fizz Buzz. But then I clicked on the Issues tab, and there's just some straight up unhinged stuff going on. Like this guy saying "nice try, Diddy," no context whatsoever. Then there's an uwu issue, not to be confused with Ubuntu, the uwu Ubuntu theme. There's a few funnier issues here and there, a classic PHP joke, and of course the resident Arch user. But here's where it starts to get weird. Like, there's a subplot where Russia is banning their software, and then there's another one where cloud providers are cloning their APIs. They apparently even have an office. And if you sort for the highest commented issue on this repo, it's one where the printer isn't working. No code. A repository without code. And quoting them directly, the best way to write secure and reliable applications, write nothing, deploy nowhere. And for some reason it comes with a Docker file. There seems to be a theme with these unhinged repos, because here the Issues tab is even crazier. Like, sorting by the most popular is just an entire thread in Arabic. There's also a bunch of posts in just Chinese, which sometimes just translate to meme posting, but then there's others that are pretty ominous. This whole repo is a fever dream. Like, I thought it would be some ARG kind of thing, like an alternate reality game where everyone's role-playing, but no, these are actual people just posting. Aside from that, there's just some funny stuff. But out of all these repos, the manic behavior, the hallucinations, the role-playing, this is the most unhinged thing I've seen on GitHub. Unfortunately, it's very clear that I don't make very good use of my time, but I'm changing that. Thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Brilliant.org. Brilliant is an online learning platform where you learn by doing, with thousands of lessons in math and science. Their approach actually helps you improve your critical thinking skills through solving interactive quizzes, puzzles, and experiments, which has proven to be the most efficient way to learn than just standard rote memorization. I've personally been really enjoying Brilliant's data and probability courses, which has helped me understand and decompress large data sets. And I don't have to set out a specific time block in my calendar for this. I've been using Brilliant on my commute, waiting for coffee, or even just to procrastinate in the gym parking lot. To try everything Brilliant has to offer for free for a full 30 days, visit brilliant.org/bigboxsuite, or scan the QR code on screen, or you can click the link in the description. You'll also get 20% off an annual premium subscription. Thank you so much to Brilliant for sponsoring this video, and thank you for your time. I am Big Box.